You will need a wooden cauldron from Dollar Tree. You will be using black chalk paint to paint the cauldron. This cauldron is from St. Patrick's Day that Dollar Tree still had in stock. After you're done painting the cauldron, grab some green paint and paint the bubbles green. Set aside the cauldron and grab 2 wooden cans that also came from Dollar Tree. You will be using the black chalk paint again to paint both cans. When the paint is dry on the cauldron, you will be adding some silver glitter to the bubbles to make it stand out. These wooden trees also came from Dollar Tree. We will be using a metallic gold to first paint them. After the metallic gold dries, we will be using a gray paint over the gold. At first I used a paper towel to paint the trees, but that didn't work out right. A regular small paintbrush will work way better to get the gray paint onto the trees. We are now going to glue the cats and the trees to the cauldron. The cats will go in front of the cauldron, and the trees will go back of the cauldron. You can also remove any leftover glue from the cauldron after you are done gluing down the cats onto the cauldron. The only other things that were done to the cauldron were, first, adding letter stickers to spell out spell time on the cauldron, and then adding silver glitter to the trees made it stand out and look way better than it did before. Here is the final result of the cauldron cats.